So, as promised, up here is the oil dripping out. One canal, the other one up. So, two plugs you have to take apart. The ones are over here. You have to figure out a new seal on those ones. On my new box, in my new box, approximately the same ones. That's too big. Oh, that's it. Yep. Perfect. Oh, perfect. Nice. So, put it over here. Also, how to jack it up. This is a special motorcycle jack, easy cheesy. Just here you have the frame. Just here I put a rubber block on under, so it's barely under. Here, the other side, the same thing. See, here you have the frame. So it's really steady. Up. Doesn't move at all. And to lock the front wheel, we're using the motorcycle Daytona stand. You can just roll it in, up, and it's locked. It should lock in here, but yeah, doesn't matter. It will not move here. It's okay. So now we're gonna adjust the rear wheel. So I marked it down, so you can see how much you turn exactly. It has never been touched in the shop, so we're gonna do it. Although I see that the belt is not aligned very correctly, so the belt should be in the middle of this sprocket. Customer is also complaining about the squeaky sounds. I think I might have an answer for that. So let's see if you can see it. Yep. So the belt, the wheel is gonna be too much like this, and the belt is gonna rub against it. So I'm gonna try to align the wheel, move the belt a couple of turns, and make sure it's in the middle and it's not making contact. The other sprocket is hidden, so we cannot see that. Up. And we start by almost a quarter turn there. Then almost a quarter turn here, something like that. Up, move it again, check the alignments, check of course the tension on the belt. As you can see, it's pretty loose. Should be like 2 to 3 centimeters play from down to up, so we have some room to play. Up. So the wheel is too much like this, so I'm gonna turn it a little bit, too much like that. I'm gonna turn it a little bit like that. In order to do that, we have to tighten this one up a little bit more. So let's see if I'm right here. Give it one here, then the same approximately here, and a little bit extra here. Of course, you have to tighten everything up in order to make sure it's working. This is getting close. You can see. Yep, that's a bit better. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. Yep, a little bit, not much. Up, up, and up. So if you tighten this one, the wheel will go too much like this, so I'm wrong. This was the other way. Let's check it out again. That's pretty tight. That should be it. That's 1 and that's 1, so you know this is how it should be. Yep. That's looking good. Now we can see how far we're here. That's like Yep. So 1, 2, 2.3, something like that. And here it's black, so 1, 2, 2.3 also. Yeah, probably the same. Yeah, it's looking the same. Look, this leg and this leg is almost meeting. And over here they're also meeting. So yeah, I think we're pretty close. Let's tighten it back up. This is 26, by the way, millimeters. You have to take this clip off and then slide it back on when you're finished. Up. And I tightened this one. It wasn't pretty tight. I tightened this one at 120 Newton meters. That will be a good one. I didn't find it online exactly. I'm not sure, but I think 110, 120 was the number to look for. I'm gonna tighten by hand anyway because I cannot put the torque wrench on it because of the exhaust. So there we go. That's how you tighten up the back wheel, the rear wheel on Indian Scout 2018. See you.